got our old plugs out. Pretty crusty. Swapped all our plugs out, now we're putting the wires on. Got our wires run up here, and then we got wires run up over here. Got our new distributor cap and rotor on. Get this all plumbed up, put it together, and throw some oil in it and a filter. Alright, so we got the new plug wires on, new air filter in, new distributor cap on the back with the rotor, all new plugs in. So now, it's kind of cool, it's got a little remote oil filter over here. So I'm going to swap the oil filter out, drain the oil, put some fresh oil in it, and then we're going to start on the fuel tank. Alright, a little trick if you're cleaning out a fuel tank on an old metal car, old metal fuel tank. You can stuff paper towels down in the hole like that, and then when you spray air around, it'll make it kind of pick up all the water from the old fuel. And then all you do is fish them out of there, and you get all your fuel and any kind of chemicals you use to clean out the tank if you do. Alright, so we got the fuel pump out. I'll put the new fuel pump in on the setting. Hopefully that setting is good. It's a little crusty. Got the tank all cleaned out. Skid plates off. It's just a mess, disaster stuff going on. It's a little crusty underneath, but the tank's out of it. Probably end up getting some new Bilstein shocks for it. Some new brakes. It's got rear drums, it looks like. Put some oil in her and fire her up here in a little bit. Alright, so we got new fuel pump in it, put the tank back in. Just filled it up with oil. It's got a new air filter, new distributor cap, new spark plug, new plug wires, new oil filter, fresh oil. Let's go. Hit it. Yep. Truck running, put a new fuel filter in it, new fuel pump, new intake fuel sock, new fuel lines on the fuel tank. We also put oil filter, spark plug wires, distributor cap, rotor. That's pretty much it. It's got a few little things you need to figure out, like the fog lights and stuff aren't working. We'll probably have to figure out what's going on there. Looks like the switch is not functioning at all. But all in all, pretty rad. 4-wheel drive even works.